Dearly beloved, you have come together into the house of the church so that in the presence of the church's minister and the community, your intention to enter into marriage may be strengthened by the Lord with a sacred seal.
Queen Zaira, asawa ko, ngayon nakatayo ako sa harap mo ng puno ng pagmamahal at saya. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo. Simula nang dumating ka sa buhay ko, nag-iba ang lahat. Ipinadama mo sa akin ang uri ng pagmamahal na hindi ko akalain na posible palang mangyari. Di kaya sa English eh. Na English na ng kaunti. I look forward sa mabubuo nating pamilya, and I will cherish every moment what we are going to build together as a family. You are my peace, my beloved wife, and my partner in crime. With you, I am home. And this is my vow to you. I love you.
Di na makausad, di malinawan. Di na mabura ang iyong mga larawan. Di alam kung saan tutungo ang mga habang patalikod naghihingalo. Ang lapis na ginamit sa kwento nating nautlot. Bawat buklat ng aklat binabalikan. Mga liham na ang laman, ligayang dala, ikaw lang ang may akda.
I remember just last year of June, my birth month.
Iyak na ako. Wala pa nga kalahati.
I kneel, cry, and beg to God to give me someone that wouldn't hurt me anymore. Someone as patient as my dad. And 3 months later, you suddenly added me on Facebook. Then you asked me out, yet specifically told my mama, loud and clear, eto si George, never ko tong sasagutin, period. Pero look at us now, married and soon to have our little answered prayer. Kaya Georgie, now I call my husband. I promise to stay by your side no matter what happens. I promise na magiging kakampi mo ako sa panahon na ayaw sa'yo ng mundo.
Alak na!
Mamahalin kita sa mga panahon na nararamdaman mo na di ka kamahal-mahal. At sisikapin ko na maging mabuting asawa at mommy ng mga baby natin.
Dami ha!
Siyempre, susundan!
Wala na ito, isa pa lang eh. Di pa nalabas yung isa eh.
Susundan, siyempre.
Dalawa lang ang isya ko, pang maglasing at magsugal. Maglasing sa iyong pagmamahal at isugal ang puso ko sa'yo.
Ikaw ay ikaw na rin. Simula sa wakas na di matuklasan. Parating ko sa
Mahal na mahal kita at sobrang grateful ako na ikaw ang binigay sa akin ng Panginoon. Andito lang ako palagi na masasandalan at makakaaway mo.
Palagi po yan.
I love you, my Georgie, ngayon at magpakailan ko.
And now we stand with Queen and George on the day when they intend to form a home of their own.
I, George, take you, Queen, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you, and to honor you all the days of my life.
Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you,
Parang
brother.
kailan lang kakasal ka na.
Excited ka na ba?
Excited?
Special day mo.
Sobra. Kinakabahan niya ako.
Isang tatay. At,
Ganap na tatay at
oo.
asawa.
I, Queen, take you, George, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
can feel all my passion unfolding. Your head brushes mine, and 1,000 sensations seduce me 'cause I do cherish you. Yeah. For the rest of my life, you don't have to think twice. I will love you still. From the depths of my soul, it's beyond my control. I've waited so long to say this to you. If you're asking, do I love you?
Pagpalitan ng inyong pangako, hindi lang kayong dalawa ang nangangako sa isa't isa. Kasama niyo si Jesus. At yun ang huwag niyong kakalimutan, lagi niyong tatandaan. At kapag kasama si Jesus, anumang pagsubok, anumang pagdadaanan, ay inyong malalampasan.
I love you